Hi guys, Ryu here from Blender Bros, and in this video I'm gonna show you a cool trick with the cutter when we're gonna be converting it into mesh. It's a very useful technique, but there is a problem with it, so I'm gonna show you how to solve it. For those of you who struggle with exporting meshes from Blender or would like to learn a bit more about it, there is a free PDF that we've created for you guys, and it's really cool, contains a ton of info on the subject. So click on the link in the video description, hop on our site and download it. Like I said, it's free. So now let's grab a cube and actually before we do anything, let's enable screencast keys so no one's bitching. Okay, that's better. Alright, so let's grab these dots here with box cutter. So the dots, hold control and draw a cut here, maybe on the top. That's gonna be better. There we go. And let's just cut it in here, and let's mirror this here and then mirror this on both axes. There we go. Let's just bevel that one and create another cut here in the middle. Okay, like this, B and cut. Now let's say I wanted to convert this cutter in the middle here into mesh, because you know, getting a mesh that's gonna perfectly fit this shape before actually applying cutters is impossible, or near impossible. So the easiest way to do that would be to duplicate this cutter. So let's go to Q and F scroll, and then you know, I can grab this cutter and Shift D, duplicate it, right? And then I can convert it to mesh. So Q with HardOPS, settings and shade solid, and everything is peachy, but there's one tiny problem with it. Now I'm going to show you. First of all, actually two problems. First of all, it's still bound to cutter collection. This is a cutter collection created by a box cutter automatically upon the first cut in your blend file. So when you press Shift 2 to remove cutters from your scene, you know that happens, right? So you need to select that this mesh, M and collection, and then you can remove cutters. That's one. Two, there's a problem with visibility of this mesh in cycles. So watch this. Alt M, and I'm going to add, let's select everything, Alt M and Control click. So I'm gonna get different matte for each of these shapes. So now when we're gonna talk about the visibility of this mesh, under look depth everything is fine, under render Eevee everything is fine, but the moment you switch to cycles, you know, it disappears, right? So it's a bit of a problem, and the reason why it disappears is because of the ray visibility being turned off. So what you need to do is grab that mesh, right? Go to your visibility here and enable ray visibility for all these elements, okay? Just like it's done for all other solid meshes. And then when you go to cycles, you can see your shape. The coolest thing about it is that this piece is actually parented to the main frame because it was the cutter. So Boxer automatically parents, you see there's a parenting line, parents your cutter to the main mesh, which is great because now I can move this shape, rotate it, you know, scale it, whatever, and it's just gonna follow it. So it's really handy for many reasons. Hope you enjoyed the vid, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.